ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଶୀତ ଋତୁ ପାଇଁ ଇଂରାଜୀ ଶିଖିବା। Let's learn English for winter season. ମୋତେ ଥଣ୍ଡା ଲାଗୁଛି। I'm feeling cold. I'm feeling cold. ଶୀତ ଦିନ ଆସୁଛି। Winter is around the corner. Winter is around the corner. ଆଜି ଶୀତ ହେଉଛି। It's cold today. It's cold today. ବାହାରେ ବହୁତ କୁହୁଡ଼ି ପଡ଼ୁଛି। It is very foggy outside. It is very foggy outside. ଦିନ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଛୋଟ ହେବାରେ ଲାଗିଛି। The days are getting shorter. The days are getting shorter. ଶୀତଳ ପବନ ବହୁଛି। A cold wind is blowing. A cold wind is blowing. ତୁମର ସ୍ୱେଟର ପିନ୍ଧ। Wear your sweater. Wear your sweater. ମୋତେ ଏକ ନୂତନ ଜ୍ୟାକେଟ୍ ଦରକାର। I need a new jacket. I need a new jacket. ତୁମେ ମୋଜା ପିନ୍ଧିଥିଲ କି? Did you wear your socks? Did you wear your socks? ତୁମର ଟୋପି ଭୁଲ ନାହିଁ। Don't forget your cap. Don't forget your cap. ଶୀତକାଳୀନ ଛୁଟି ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଉଛି। Winter holidays are starting. Winter holidays are starting. ପବନର ଶୀତଳତା ଅଛି। The air is chilly. The air is chilly. ମୁଁ ଥରୁଛି। I'm shivering. I'm shivering. ମୁଁ ଖରାରେ ବସିବାକୁ ପସନ୍ଦ କରେ। I like to sit in the sun. I like to sit in the sun. चलो गरम चा पीवा। Let's have a cup of hot tea. Let's have a cup of hot tea. कौन मु हीटर चालू कर देबी? Should I turn on the heater? Should I turn on the heater? कम्बलरे रहिबा भल लागे। It feels nice to be in the quilt. It feels nice to be in the quilt. निया पाखरे बस। Sit near the fire. Sit near the fire. Thanks for watching.